TBiOS Interface Integration Engine, also known as TiiE, is a middleware software. It allows any disparate transportation systems to securely connect to it and let them exchange data using their native protocols without any knowledge of how to connect and format the data for any other systems. In a typical transportation industry environment, TiiE will play the central integral part as an IoT message broker, connecting IoT devices-equipped airplanes, ship lines, boats, trains, buses, trucks, cars, vans, and public transport fleets using MQTT protocol and routing the real-time received messages to fleet management system, public transit management system, vehicle maintenance and management systems to improve fleet operational cost and efficiency, fuel consumption, preventative maintenance, regulatory compliance, geo-fencing, and asset location tracking and monitoring. TiiE can quickly transform any hairball architecture into an immaculate enterprise architecture. TiiE can securely process other digital message forms, such as Swift, DCM, XML, TXT, CSV, DocX, XLSX, EDI, X12, PDF, media files, and many more. TiiE's flexible architecture allows the developers to quickly build a message transformation plugin according to their business requirements. In the shortest time, TiiE will return the best ROI by reducing labor and costs and improve security, reliability, interoperability, and interdepartment communications. For more information, please visit www.tiie.ca or email us at sales@tiie.ca.